Good morning to all. Today we're going to see a topic called IoT architecture. The subject called IoT protection system, where this IoT architecture is important in this. We have the four structure. The first structure is the sensors, and then internet gateway, and then edge IoT data center cloud. Nothing but IoT architecture is devices is the first stage where to connect that smart devices. So first one is the sensors. Second one is the internet and the data acquisitions, where these smart gadgets or the smart devices to be connected with the internet to do the process. So third one is the pre-processing, where these all the sensors or the devices which are connected to the processing system to do the work. And then the data cloud or data center, where these all works to be stored in the cloud to the purpose of process the data in analytics management system, analytical ecosystem, etc. Where these are the devices, sensors, actuators, device, gateway, cloud. First one is the, here we are having the devices, sensors, which are like temperature sensor, pressure sensor, or the proximity sensor sensitive. More sensors are available to connect to the IoT. And the device, these sensors to be connected to any board, electrical board to do this one. And third one is the gateway, where to connect the sensor actuators and device with either wireless or the wired connections. And the fourth one is stored one. This is called cloud to data storage. Okay. And then custom applications, cloud connectivity manager, protocols, and then data management, FOTA, security. These are all some of the applications where we use in the IoT architecture to connect these all devices, protocols, photo, security, device management, configuration, sensor stacks, etc. Gateway. Gateway and data acquisitions are the large number of data which are produced by these sensors and actuators need the high speed of gateways to transfer the data. This network can be type of local area network such as Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or wide area network around the surroundings. Hardware. IoT gateway hardware comprises a microprocessor or controller depending on the processing speed and the memory required. And cellular data or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, whatever the hardware devices which you have, need to be connected to the gateway to process the IoT process. Operating system, where maybe run hardware and other programs on these devices such as Java, Linux, RTOS, Windows, etc. to connect all these operating system. Hardware abstractions layer allows the software to be developed and controlled independently of the hardware. This adds flexibility and agility to applications and designs makes development easier. Sensor stacks. This layer will interface the device and sensors and models. These do the integrated depending on what the application will demand. IoT gateways needs to keep track of all the connected devices and sensors to communicate or to transfer the information to the other layer. This will help you to configure the devices and the sensors. Security is the crucial considerations of gateway architecture or IoT architecture, because the data will be stored in the cloud. It should not be hacked by any other. So the trusted identity, strong encryptions and crypto authentication schemes to be followed, and it provides a secure boot to protect the devices from intrusions and ensure data integrity and confidentiality. Firmware over the air updates, keeping a device of firmware updated and enabling security patches, and fix to depend the against overall evolving threats in permanent uh, to maintaining the device integrity. The film over a FOTA, we call it as FOTA, communications protocol, which is nothing but to about the frequency of data to be communicated to the cloud, either storage, where he use here to connect via cellular, either 5G, 4G, or Ethernet or Wi-Fi to make these communications and to store the data. A data management system from the sensors and connected devices, and data coming from the cloud. Cloud connectivity manager, custom software applications, gateway data transfer, edge, etc. Thank you.